Handling an account review on DoorDash can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate through the review effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why DoorDash conducts account reviews. Common reasons include unusual activity, customer complaints, or policy violations. Knowing the cause can help you prepare your response. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including order history, customer feedback, and any communications with DoorDash. This will help you present a clear case during the review. Step 3. Contact DoorDash support. Reach out to DoorDash support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method. Clearly explain your situation and provide any evidence you gathered. Step 4. Be patient and responsive. After submitting your inquiry, be patient as DoorDash reviews your account. Monitor your email and app notifications for any updates. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with DoorDash support. Politely inquire about the status of your review and reiterate your willingness to cooperate. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on DoorDash. Stay proactive and maintain open communication with support to ensure a smoother process.